Today I'm making Rosanna Pansino's perfect chocolate chip cookies. Right now I'm in Mexico drinking beer and making salsa for breakfast. Okay, so I filmed this video ahead of time, but make sure you're following me on Instagram if you want to follow along with all the amazing food I'm having here. Some of it might even make it into a future video. For those of you still dealing with the cold weather and snow, I thought some warm chocolate chip cookies would be perfect. I love watching Ro's baking videos. Everything always looks so beautiful and perfect. The first time I watched her make these cookies, my mouth watered. They really do look perfect. So let's give them a try and see how they really are. You can turn on subtitles by pressing the CC button, or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. For these chewy nummies, we're going to need 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of butter melted, half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar lightly packed, 1 large egg plus 1 egg yolk at room temperature, 2 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt flakes. So we're going to start off by adding our baking soda, cornstarch, and salt into our flour, and whisking it together until well combined. Pull out your 1,000-pound stand mixer, and let's move on to the wet ingredients. Into the bowl of my mixture I'm dumping in the liquid golden fat, sugar, and sugar plus. Brown sugar really makes everything better. Get it? Alright. Turn on the mixer, scratch that, plug in the mixer, then turn it on to medium speed, and cream until smooth and soft. One of these days I'll build a sturdier table. Ro says to make sure to scrape down the sides as you go, so scrape I shall. Mix that in, and let's make our gloopy mix runny. To this we are now adding in our chicken seeds. Again, this is 1 whole egg and 1 yolk. The extra yolk will really help make these cookies extra rich and decadent. Add the vanilla booze, and mix on medium again just till everything is mixed evenly. Now it's time to combine the wet and dry mixes. With the mixture on a low speed, slowly add the dry mix into the cookie gloop a little at a time, and continue mixing till a thick, smooth dough forms. And let me tell you, this dough smells fantastic. Really getting the vanilla and molasses from the brown sugar. Let's dump in our chalky chips from a distance for dramatic effect, and fold them into the dough. Again, till evenly distributed. The dough looks a little greasy right now, so I'm covering up my fingies, and we're just going to smooth it into a ball, form it into a disc, set it aside, struggle with some plastic wrap, then tightly wrap our disc. Mandatory good luck pat, and set it in the fridge to chill for 1 to 2 hours. Once our chill time is up, line a baking sheet with the most wrinkled piece of parchment paper you can find, and let's attempt to get the plastic wrap off the dough. You can do it, just gotta find where it starts. See? You got this. Now using the ice cream scooper, let's scoop a massive ball of Play-Doh, making sure to really pack it in there. Release it into your clean hands, and roll it into a smooth ball. This thing is freaking massive. I'm so excited. Continue with the rest of the dough, making sure to keep your cookie balls about 2 inches apart to give them room to spread. I made some of these a little bigger than others, so I only got about 11 cookies, but you can probably get an even 12 if you plan better. Pop these in a 375-degree oven for 11 to 13 minutes. Ro says that because these cookies are chewy, they may look a little underbaked, and at 11 minutes they were still looking very light on top, so I let them go for the full 13 minutes to get a little more of a golden color. These already look amazing. We just need the final finishing touch, some flaky sea salt. Finish these off with a sprinkling of sea salt, as much or as little as you want. Not sure if I did something wrong by cooking them for the full 13 minutes, but my salt didn't really want to stick. I was a little disappointed with this, as I really enjoyed bringing some saltiness into a rich chocolate chip cookie. I wonder if a light brushing of water or melted butter would help the salt stick better. This is such a unique cookie recipe. I really appreciated that I didn't have to remember to pull out butter to soften. Using melted butter really made this a recipe you can just whip together whenever the mood strikes. No waiting for butter to soften. They look incredible. They're massive, both wide and tall. And the fact that this is a chewy cookie really puts these over the top for me. Let's see what they look like inside. Oh my god, that's incredible. The exterior is a little bit crunchy. These aren't totally mush. And the inside is just perfect. It's like a moist cake or a brownie. I cannot wait to put this in my mouth. Just look at how beautiful this is. Ro knows what she's doing. Alright, let's taste it. Oh my god. This is amazing. I was expecting it to be good, but this blew my mind. It's so perfectly thick and chewy. The chocolate is rich and decadent, and the salt really rounds it out nicely and brings a little bit of crunch to the cookie. This is the perfect chocolate chip cookie. If you haven't already, give this one a try and check out Rosanna Pansino's video. I would love to see how your cookies came out. If you make them, share a picture on Instagram and tag me at Maikoh with 4 H's. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to watch another video, you can click the card over on the right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please consider subscribing. Would love to have you around, and I hope to see you all next time.